Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install League of Legends in your PC in 2026. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, what you have to do is you make sure you have Riot client installed in your PC. If you do not have installed in your PC, so what you have to do is open Google Chrome or any web browser you like. For my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and you just have to search for Riot Games. Just click on this first link which appears here. Sign up your account, or if you do not have any Riot account, just click on create account and enter your details and create your account. After that, it will install Riot games in your PC, and then what you have to do is open Riot client, and here you'll find this L icon. Just click on this and it will say League of Legends. Just click on install and then it will install League of Legends in your PC. So yeah, this is how you can do it, guys. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.